Hey guys, it's Toys and Play. Today we're going to be showing you the mini Polly Pocket school playset. So let's begin.
So first over here we've got a Polly Pocket sign, and we've also got a cute design of some stars, some ice lollies, sunglasses and watermelon. We've also got some flowers, sparkles and some music notes. And also this is a shape of a book because it's like a school. Okay, so over here we've got a gold purple gem, and then you just quickly open it. And so we've also got our first thing. We've got our two characters. We've got Polly Pocket herself and her friend over here. Now up here we've got some lockers, but if you pull them down it turns into a dinner table. So Polly Pocket and her friend can just eat their lunch together. And there's also some tiny food on the table. And then you can just put this back up, and over here we've got a little classroom. There's a door. You can open the door and you can see there is a trash can and a clock. And you can just go into your classroom. And then there are also some stairs where you just go down, and there is a swimming pool. And there are 2 steps. Then you can just jump in. And you can actually put real water in it, then just play, make them splash. And another cool thing is that there's a diving board, so they can just dive in. So over here we've got a little dancing runway where we can just put them on and move it. And over here we've got a little yoga mat where they can do some yoga. And if we pull this up, we can just put the arms in. So guys, after that little incident, we finally managed to put Polly Pocket a little bit inside. And now I'm just going to show you what this does. So you can just pull it. Oops.
You just have to twist the handle.
Yeah,
and
you just twist it.
Goes up and down. And yeah.
And then the flooring is kind of like a basketball place too. Okay, and over here we've got another classroom for maths. We've got 2 yellow seats and 2 yellow desks.
As you can see, there are some detailing on the desks, like books and calculators and stuff.
And we've also got the teacher's desk. And there's also a little green board so that she can teach them, and you just pull it up. And there's lots of detail on that too. Then now I'm just going to show you the accessories that come with it. So guys, we've got a scooter. It's an orangey peaches color. And we've got some wheels. They're dark blue. And we can also just push it. It's really cool because it actually works. So you can just get your Polly Pocket doll, then you can just push them. And if you can put their arms inside this hole. And we've also got a skateboard. You can do the same thing. and it actually works. It's also got a sticker with a star on it and some yellow wheels. And a nice thing is that it comes with stickers where you can put anywhere you want. Another thing is that these Polly Pocket feet under it is kind of sticky. So like they're really small, so they might just fall off if you put it on, so you can just stick them on. I don't know if you can hear, but it does a sticky nose.
So yeah. So guys, I'll just be giving you an overview of everything. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.